In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel tank strap on this Ford 500. Let's get into it. Underneath the fuel tank, I'm just going to use a block of wood and a pole jack just to support it from falling. Just a little bit of pressure, that's good. Using a 13mm swivel socket, I'm going to take this bolt out. Pull that bolt out. In the front of the gas tank, we're going to take this bolt out, same 13mm socket. There's a push pin holding the strap to this heat shield. You just want to use a trim tool and just slide this down. Pop that off. If that breaks, it's okay. That's mostly for assembly use. And the one in the back. Just pry it off. And you can slide the strap down. There it is. Now slide this in position. Get the holes lined up with the push pins, if you can. If not, it's okay. The strap will hold the shield up. All right, that's pushed in. Take the bolt, get that started. And before we tighten that down, you want to get the back bolt in. And get the back one lined up. I torque this bolt to 26 foot-pounds. That's good. And we'll do the same to the front. Torque it to 26 foot-pounds. And lower the support. And if you're replacing the other side, you can do the same procedure on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.